Hello, my name is Michael, and today I'm going to show you how to control your computer using your iPhone or other tablet device. We'll do this over Wi-Fi with an app loaded onto the phone and two programs on the computer. On the phone, we'll load the MIDI application ITM Matrix, which is available at the App Store for $5.99. For those of you who don't know, the term MIDI is an acronym for Musical Instrument Digital Interface. It's basically the messages that allow computers to exchange information with other devices. You can find several MIDI apps at the iPhone App Store, and they're available for iPads, Androids, and other smartphones and devices. I picked up ITM Matrix because of its customization and simplicity. You can experiment with the different MIDI apps to find the one that works best for you. These applications don't only work with VideoMegs. They can also be used to control other MIDI-driven applications, like Ableton. Once you've downloaded the Itouch MIDI app, you'll need to load Itouch onto your computer. You can transfer it from your device by following the directions on the server screen, or you can download it for free at www.itouchmidi.com. Next, we'll load VideoMegs. VideoMegs is a multimedia software used for triggering and arranging video clips. To download VideoMegs for free, go to www.vidvox.com. Here, you'll find a ton of information about VideoMegs, its uses, and what it does. The only difference between the trial version and the full version is that on the free download, you don't have the option to save your work. But it's still very useful because it comes with several built-in templates that can be used just like the custom layouts. So now that you've loaded Itouch and VideoMegs onto your computer and ITM Matrix on your phone or tablet, let's get started. Starting with VTMX already loaded onto my computer with several clips in place, I'll make sure that my device and my computer are on the same Wi-Fi network. I'll do this on the computer by checking the network tab at the top of the screen. I'll do it on my phone by going to the settings and checking Wi-Fi. Now that I've checked my network settings, I'll launch Itouch on my computer. This program is the necessary link between the device and the computer. Once Itouch is running, your device should be able to see your computer. Now you'll launch the ITM Matrix app on your device. You should see the name of your computer in the online ITM servers page. Select your computer and you'll see your controller. On this version of ITM Matrix, you have the choice between three control surfaces accessed by shaking the phone. There's a keyboard, a Chaos Pad style touchscreen, and a MIDI pad. Now we'll assign the 16 pads in ITM Matrix to 16 clips in VideoMegs. To set up VideoMegs to receive the MIDI information, we'll go to Plugins in the Workspace Inspector, then select the folder that contains the files that we'll be working with. Next, you'll select the first clip you'll be working with. Now, in the Clips Media Bin option window, you have two drop-down windows and a button that you'll be working with. The first drop-down window lets you choose between Single Detect, Continuous Learn, and Range. These are the ways that the MIDI information will be received by VideoMegs. For this exercise, we'll use the Continuous Learn selection. This way, we won't have to reactivate the Detect mode after assigning every button. The next drop-down window lets you choose what type of signal the program is set up to receive. The default is anything, and this works for our purpose. Here we're dealing with MIDI, so the MIDI selection would also work, but we'll just leave it on anything. The third selection in the Media Bin options window is a button. This button becomes red when Receive mode is activated. To activate it, click it once. Once you're in detecting mode, the media bin will receive MIDI signals from your MIDI source. In this case, it's my phone. Each button will sequentially be assigned to the media clip in the associated bin. So, starting at the top of the controller in detecting mode, I'll assign each button from the left to the right, top to bottom. Now I'll deactivate the detecting mode and my buttons are assigned. Every button you push will trigger a clip. This can be a fun way to control your clips and setup whenever you're away from it. It can also be pretty cool to control your clips from the dance floor or the bar. You can also use the touchpad feature to control the fader-based features like opacity and the various effects. These and other MIDI features are covered in detail at www.vidvox.com. To learn more about VideoMegs and MIDI, check out the Visual Performance program at www.dubspot.com.